Have you ever wondered how Bakhoor burners work? Let me break it down for you in a simple and straightforward way. Once you experience the magic of these burners, you'll never go back to those electric ones again. Here's how it works. Start by getting some coal and using tongs to hold it over a naked flame. Allow the coal to become red hot. This step is essential to ensure proper burning. Once the coal is red hot, carefully place it in your QM Design handcrafted Bakhoor burner. Give it a few minutes to settle. As the coal continues to burn, you'll notice it turning gray in color. This is the indication that it's ready. Now, it's time to add your favorite Bakhoor, or perhaps you prefer the enchanting aroma of frankincense. Place a small amount of the chosen scent on top of the burning coal. Sit back and let the magic unfold as your home fills with the captivating and aromatic scent of your chosen fragrance. Indulge in the beauty of aromatic scents that transform your space into a sanctuary of relaxation and tranquility. Experience the elegance and charm of the ancient art of Bakhoor, burning with our handcrafted burners.